What are the causes for an interview? Prior to last year, you were required to have an interview if you have a marriage-based case. The cause for an interview is to determine whether they believe you have a good faith marriage or not, or whether you're admissible into the United States. A lot of people, right now get bypassed and then they get caught on the other end, which is for your conditional green card removal of conditions. So every officer is different. Sometimes, we may have someone who there's absolutely no reason for an interview. Like they have sonograms, they have a childbirth, they have a birth certificate, they have everything else, and you might have an officer still call them for an interview. There's no method or reasoning, but I can definitely tell you that if you have an immigration history, especially in a history where the previous case was denied, if there's an age difference, if there is any question as to cohabitation, where you live versus where your spouse lives, and that's not clear, the evidence really seems scanty, you came from one marriage right into the next marriage, these kinds of cases will typically have interviews. Now, having an interview does not mean that your case is not going to be approved. Absolutely not. It just means that sometimes they want to ask questions and get more clarity on the relationship.